First we undo the straps at the back, under the rudders, including these. Unhook it from the corners. Then 1, 2, 3.
What? You're looking for spiders. Keep looking for spiders, you'll find one. You only find them if you look for them.
They wouldn't do it if you took the boat out regularly.
You would. Yeah, you do.
Ooh.
What's his name? You got rid of his, haven't you? This is him. Haley's long. Has he? Give it away. When? When? 2 weeks ago. I got his name. Okay. Yeah. Give it to, you know, Paul.
Alright, cut for a minute.
We're going to have it first. That's not that other one. I'm going to...
Those are rudders, right? Is that what they are?
Yes. They're the rudders. We have jib sticks. 1. Not using that one today. And 2. Usually use the one with the thicker black part. Alright, not the thin one. So we have to go on with those in a bit. Now we need the keel lifter. First we move the boom out of the way.
Tell that.
Hey? Get a bit near it, what?
Strap
Yeah.
off the keel lifter. And with the handle to the back, lift it in and put it each side of the centreboard on the floor. I'll go to come here now here, and show where it goes. Like that. Detach the rope, fasten it around and flip it to itself like that. Then start to put some tension on, and as soon as it lifts you can extract the pin from here, this side. The pin then hangs on that bolt. Okay. Take the wind indicators out of the seat. It's where they're usually kept. You can just either put them on the foredeck or you can put them in. It doesn't really matter.
Bit of praise. Put your mate down at the... Put him down to...
Grabbing the mast firmly. Put your hands wide apart so you can support it against the wind. Whatever you do, don't drop it. Don't let it break or bend. And walk it backwards until you find the balance. And then slide off the cover. close here. Fill my hand. Underneath here is a 3-cornered screw that you turn clockwise until it's fully tightened. Then the mast can't come out, and it grips it onto the reefing lines, which are here. Right. Repeat procedure with the jib. Much lighter. Right. This could be quite a little trick, this guy. This reefing line we pulled right out, then doubled over like that, so that it makes a loop, perfect loop all the way around. Then you grab the mast and pop that in.
I think I've done that backwards.
Making sure that the reefing lines are engaged
I think I've done it back.
in the guide and nice and tight,
Does it go in that way?
When you actually pull in the action.
wrapped all the way around, right the way around,
That's the action.
and then back in.
So you need to be